Powershift technology is a revolutionary innovation from Bowtech that delivers 3 distinct feels in one bow. All of this is possible via the PowerDisc, and it doesn't even require a bow press. Once you have your draw length set properly, grab an Allen wrench set and I'll show you how to adjust these discs. Grab your bow's manual if you like. It has detailed drawings to help you while you work. Locate the gold PowerDiscs. You have 1 on each cam. Identify the A screw which attaches the PowerDisc to the cam itself. Remove the screw completely. Next, loosen the B and C screws, but only a half rotation. Position the PowerDisc directly under the desired setting machined on the cam. These are the first, second, and third numerical markings. Once the PowerDisc is aligned to receive it, replace the A screw, joining the cam and PowerDisc back together. You can now replace both the B and C screws, reattaching the PowerDisc to the rotating module. We recommend using Loctite 242 on all screws as you reinsert them. Lastly, be sure to set both PowerDiscs in the same setting. Remember, you have 1 on each cam.